Go, Caleb. Yo, yo. Oh, yo, 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 yo.
Up in the 305.
Hey, come on, come on, come on.
What we doing?
We got some big mugs out here.
Big moose.
Look all honking ones. Dude, they're huge. Gotta get this home.
These are easy top 5. These are insane.
Like, I wouldn't ride these, they're so big. Like body surfing? Yeah, I think so. That's crazy. I guess it actually is like a lot of like knowing how to avoid big waves.
130 foot, bro.
Like, I don't really think about it.
Yeah.
I was thinking about it on the way back though, like walking. I was like, huh.
It's also harder to have a board because you have to like go under the wave.
It's about
Yeah,
to think
facts.
through. It's like aerodynamics, but water.
Dang.
Dynamics.
Now I get the camera out, there's no big waves.
Wow.
Oh, what did I just say? What if I got in like the little thing? That'd be sick. Might just do that, just take one for the team. Ooh.
Do you got a strap on your wrist?
Yeah. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. See if I gotta wake up at 4.
Watch out, watch out.
Ooh. I can't touch.
Yeah, I can't touch you.
Uh-oh. Yeah, sometimes it's just like, oh, there's a wave there.
Yeah. Seaweed.
You mean jellyfish?
Oh. Yeah, what's that? Caleb said ow earlier. I thought he got stung by jellyfish.
Caleb did?
Yeah.
Come on now.
Now for our first trip to the beach.
Let's give her some big ones.
Wait, we just gotta wait.
That's so lame.
What?
Might have to cut some of this out. Look at it. Ideal beach time.
Facts.
And
Oh.
sometimes when you get moving, then the water feels good. The water.
Look how far we are from him, dude. Gosh.
Oh my.
Gosh. I'm going out to meet you, boys.
Oh, look at that one.
I feel like there's a storm coming or something.
Facts.
Like. Wait, can you?
Alright.
What?
So they're kind of big here. Try to go in. Man, my hammies are feeling it.
Guys, you and Joe were sweating on the way back.
I know.
Alright, I got about 2 more minutes.
Alright. Dude, those tacos are gonna slap.
Dude, they're gonna be insane. You're still going like the Cayenas on the way home?
I'm just gonna take one. I'm not gonna take one for the team. Just eat it one time, get a good video of it. Gosh, we've literally drifted so far. See if you can swim back. Oh, that'd be terrible. Get a big mug.
Alright, alright.
Oh! Yellow dog! Dang, it's cooling now. He's got a sick one. Oh! Crazy. Oh, yo! Why is it so fun just get beat up by waves? Holy! Last one, boys. Hey. Come on.
Who's that? Loki, man, 482. Come on, we out here. Come on. You know what I'm saying?
Like I always say. Got any last words for the camera? Any words of wisdom?